Bird behavior and psychology are incredibly rich and multifaceted, shaped by millions of years of evolution and adaptation to a wide variety of environments. Birds display a broad spectrum of behaviors related to feeding, communication, social interaction, mating, nesting, parenting, and migration. Many species are highly social, forming flocks that offer safety in numbers, coordinated movement, and cooperative foraging. Others are more solitary or territorial, defending specific areas from intruders with songs, calls, and visual displays. Vocal communication plays a central role in bird behavior. Songs are often used to attract mates or mark territory, while calls can signal danger, coordinate group movements, or maintain contact with family members. Some species, such as parrots, crows, and ravens, show extraordinary intelligence. They can mimic sounds, use tools, solve puzzles, and even display signs of self-awareness and empathy. These cognitive abilities highlight that many birds are capable of learning, memory retention, and complex decision-making. Mating behavior in birds is equally intricate. Courtship rituals can involve elaborate songs, plumage displays, dances, and the offering of food or nesting materials. Monogamy is common in many bird species, and pair bonds can last for a season or a lifetime, although polygamous and cooperative breeding systems are also found in nature.